भी मिलवाते हैं। जी नाजिया।
তোমার বাবার কাছে আরেকবার হাঁটতে চাই না আমি, তোর বাড়ি গিয়ে তার সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে জয় করে নিয়ে আসবো তোমাকে।
তুমি ছুঁয়ে দিলে মন, আমি উড়ব আজীবন।
সাবধান মাসুদ, আমার মেয়ের কোনো দোষ ধরবি না। আগামী 7 দিনের ভেতর আপনারা হৃদয়পুর ছেড়ে চলে যাবেন। আমি যাব না, আমি হৃদয়পুর ছেড়ে যাব না।
তুমি ছুঁয়ে দিলে মন, আমি উড়ব।
थैंक यू ऑन। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मैं नाजिया आज आप सबको मिलाने वाली हूँ एक बहुत ही फेमस बांग्लादेशी एक्टर से जिन्होंने बहुत ही कम वक्त में बहुत ही तेज़ी से सबके दिल को जीत लिया है। ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड एक्टर, ही इज़ अ मॉडल एंड अ वेरी गुड डांसर ऑल्सो। लेट्स टॉक टू आरिफिन शुभो। Shubho, welcome to ARY, welcome to our show.
Thank you very much, and thanks for the introduction. I'm kind of overwhelmed. Were you talking about me or someone else?
Your name is Arifin Shubho, right? And you're an actor.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So is that your first time in New York?
I know it's second time. Yeah.
So welcome to New York, and how does it feel?
Yeah, it's a very big, pretty city, I must say. Very rushy city. Everybody walks very fast, and I'm like, from where I belong, people don't walk that fast, and like I go confused. So yeah.
Okay, and मकसद क्या है न्यूयॉर्क में आने का? Is that a tour or you're promoting something?
It's I'm kind of promoting one of my film. It's called Chue Dile Mon. It's a film that released, I guess, it's not even a month. So I'm doing a show, 2 shows here in New York, and I'm planning more shows in Virginia, Chicago, LA, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm here to promote my film and to be with the audience. Yes.
Okay, all the best for that. And how did you become an actor? Was it a childhood passion or somebody inspired you?
Actually, और कुछ नहीं होता मेरे से. I guess I always, when I was a kid, like my friends and like surroundings used to tell me that if I'm not there, then there is no masti or something. So I used to, copy some other actor and show them. And there are a lot of, I guess one of my teacher, I'm sorry, teacher, but I think he still knows that I have this stammering thing. Because whenever it's like, khada ho ja, read this, Eiffel Tower is. So I used to do all this nonsense and that's how I felt that I think I want to entertain people, anybody. And the maqsad of my life is I want to entertain anyone in any way, in any form, like through dancing, acting, modeling, talking. So yeah.
So पहले आप, you were a successful model and then you started in TV and then film. So how was the journey? I mean, कोई struggle से गुजारना पड़ा आपको?
नहीं बस ऐवे आ गए सब कुछ. हाँ, there was this big line I heard when I started my career. I guess आज से करीब 8-9 साल पहले I started my ramp career, and I heard this line from the अमिताभ बच्चन के, संघर्ष के बिना कोई जीत हासिल नहीं होता. तो संघर्ष तो I still do the sangharsh. I am still struggling. I call myself a struggling actor because you see, I think if there is no struggle, then maza nahi hai. I mean, if it's easy to get, then it's not fun to get. I mean, so I have been in radio as well. I have been in क्या क्या नहीं किया मैंने. तो रेडियो में भी था. वो सारे जो है वो शौक से है कि like I said that I wanted to entertain. I'm always into exploring myself. I like new things, meeting new people, doing new things, challenging myself. So yeah, there has been a lot of struggle And now that I'm doing films, I have a big struggle ahead because I want to take my fraternity one step ahead. Like I want to take my films to the international audience. Like I want to mix it up. I want like other people see it, other nation to see it. So yeah, a lot of things ahead.
पता है स्ट्रगल सब करते हैं लेकिन कामयाब उस सबको नहीं मिलते हैं. सो माशाल्लाह से डूइंग सो वेल. सो ये जो इतना अटेंशन है फैन फॉलोइंग से, स्पेशली फीमेल फैंस, सो हाउ डू यू हैंडल दैट?
I blush. बहुत क्या बोलूँ मैं, I'm very shy. I'm really very shy. Yeah, it's like
Because you're on camera?
no. Give me your number later on. So yeah. No, I'm actually very shy. It's like and somehow I don't know. I'm not showing off or anything. To be very honest, God promised. मेरे माँ जो है वो ऐसे जो सुबह निकलता हूँ कि फिर से कहाँ जा रहे हो? मैं शूटिंग है. Don't bluff me. You're not some. I'm an actor. I'm a hero. तू और हीरो इतना खराब दिन आ गया फिल्मों का, तू हीरो है. So you know, yeah, I enjoy that. I enjoy all this attention. Usually, sometimes I forget. I go out and say I'm wearing a shorts or t-shirt, and बाहर जाके पता चलता है लोगों का reaction. Oh, अच्छा, oh, I'm outside. So, oh, I'm Arifin Shubho. Oh, okay. So then I kind of cover myself up. So yeah, I enjoy that. असल में उसी के लिए तो हम काम करते हैं. For I mean, it's so that वो attention मिले, people appreciate करे. हाँ जी, वो तो है. तो I enjoy that. I enjoy that.
तो कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट स्पेशल रोड पे पकड़ लिया किसी ने, या फिर यू नो कुछ फनी स्टोरी अगर शेयर करना चाहते हैं हमारे साथ?
बहुत सारे. One thing I guess I'll never ever forget. हाँ, ऐसे बहुत सारे कहानी है, but
So can't tell anyone.
no, it's just I remember there was my birthday, and that's something. I mean now I have I guess 3 or 4 of them, but that was the first time I woke up and there was this calling bell, and I was like, okay, somebody's there early in the morning, and I'm like, open the door. There was no one, कोई नहीं था घर पे. So I opened the door, and I saw this kind of a frame, packed frame, and I checked, कोई भी नहीं था वहाँ पे. So I took it back to the room and I opened it, and there was a picture of mine. It was sketched, and I was like, people are crazy. They sketched it. I mean, you feel so. I don't know. Maybe I don't know if it has that impact to someone else, but I felt really. It's a humble feeling. I must share that. I've never thought. I'm a guy who kind of, घर से भाग आए और पैसा भी नहीं था. ऐसा भी हुआ कि I mean, I had to sleep in the road, and खाने का पैसा नहीं था. कुछ भी नहीं था मेरे पास when I came to my capital, Dhaka. And from there, I am Arifin Shubho, and they made me, and they're making my sketch, and it's wonderful. It's what can I say? There are a lot of things like this, but yeah.
So how did social media, you think, played a role in your success?
Social media as in what?
आपके fan followings, likes, or promotions, promoting yourself, your work.
Yeah, obviously. I mean, today, एक ज़माना था कि फिल्मों का जो है, स्पेशली फिल्मों का ही प्रमोशन होता था, फिल्म लाइन से, फिल्म का जो इंडस्ट्री है वहाँ से. पर आज जो है सब कुछ मिक्स्ड है. I mean, रेडियो है, टेलीविजन है, प्रेस है, पब्लिक है, फेसबुक है, यूट्यूब है. So this all this social medias, people, अगर इन सब चीज़ अगर आपको सपोर्ट नहीं करता है तो आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे.
Absolutely, I believe that. और ढाका जो है, ढाका की जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, बांग्लादेशी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, हॉलीवुड, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा आप पाकिस्तानी ऑडियंस को बताइए प्लीज.
हमारा जो इंडस्ट्री है, एक वक्त था, आई हैव टू से, इट्स नॉट दैट आई एम सो हैप्पी टू से दिस, बट आई हैव टू टेल द ट्रूथ. बिकॉज अगर आप लोग गूगल करोगे तो आपको तो अभी पता चल जाएगा. सो हमारे जो इंडस्ट्री है एक वक्त था 10 years 15 years बैक बहुत बढ़िया था. How should I say it? It was very big industry. What happened? There was piracy. There was a lot of problems, bad peoples in the industry. There was a short time, and somehow it was kind of crashed. And now what happened? There is this kind of a renaissance. There is this new beginning. It's crashed from the scratch. Now एक बहुत बड़ा आर्टिस्ट मिला था एक सेट पे. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि I like your work, but the sad part is जब हम लोग आए थे यहाँ पे एक घर था तो हम लोग आए और बस रहना शुरू कर दिए. पर आप लोग जो हो, आप लोग अभी एक लैंड है आपके पास, आप लोगों का एक ईंट जोड़ के घर बनाना पड़ेगा और देन यू कैन लिव.
नाम बताना चाहेंगे?
Sadek Bachu. He's a very big, I'm sure if any Bengali people are watching this, Sadek Bachu is a very big actor. So he was saying this and I was like, and I questioned him like, मेरा क्या कसूर है? I mean, I have the same passion you had when you were my age and you came to the industry. So what I have to do is I have to make the building and I have to live there. So it's like a very big responsibilities and very big pressure, I must say. So आज जो मिडिल क्लास है, जो असल में फिल्म का ऑडियंस है, वो लोग it's very very difficult to get them to the theater because they don't watch. Almost they don't watch, but I'm sure. Have you watched any film of mine? No, because the practice is not there. Almost it's not there, but there are films nowadays. I mean, we're doing this premiere in Chuedi Lemon here in New York, Jamaica Multiplex here, June. So this is a beginning that now there are, people are making films that are actually good films, entertainment. How should I say it? A decent entertainment, I must say. I mean, you can go with your friends, family. Like, जो होता है मास फिल्म जो होता है कि आप लोग जाए और एंजॉय करें, ज़्यादा दिमाग ना लगाए, तो ऐसा फिल्म अभी हो रहा है बट डिसेंट. पहले क्या होता था? इट वॉज नॉट डिसेंट कि आप फैमिली लेके जाओ, गर्लफ्रेंड लेके जाओ, बॉयफ्रेंड लेके जाओ, ऐसा फिल्म नहीं होता था. पर अब हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर टू लेट एवरीबॉडी नो कि यार हाँ मुझे पता है, आई एग्री दैट it was not like this, but abhi ho raha hai.
I hope audience is getting the message, and I would like to include that I saw the trailer of Chuedi Lemon and I loved it, and really, especially the title song. This is really, really very romantic.
আমি উড়বো আজীবন তুমি ছুঁয়ে দিলে মন আমি উড়বো আজীবন.
Tell me you dedicate the song to me.
Oh, yes. I dedicate to you. Yes. And any girls there too.
Okay, that part please cut. अच्छा, तो ये बताइए बॉलीवुड में who is your favorite?
There are a lot.
Let's start from the girls.
The Deepika. I love her. She's good. She's very good because she's like I said, she's a package. She has the looks and she has the beauty, everything. And apart from that, I must mention one thing, and I'm kind of touched and glad and honored that she went to Dhaka. Like I guess last week I was here in New York. I'm so but she went to Dhaka for a Lux event. And there on the stage, on the very stage, she performed with Chuedi Lemon song. Because right now Chuedi Lemon is kind of the talk of the town and everything. So they played Chuedi Lemon, and the singer of Chuedi Lemon was the host actually, technically of the event. So he sang the song and Deepika performed. Aww. So that was pretty good. Cool. Yeah. Katrina is good, Priyanka is good, and obviously Amir Khan Saab, I adore him. He's the best. And Shah Rukh Khan Saab. So yeah, there are many more, and especially the young, all the young bunch of actors like Ranveer Singh, Ranveer Kapoor, everyone. Irfan Khan, I like him so much. What is that name? That Nawazish Ali. Yeah.
Nawazuddin.
Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Yes, yes. This guy is too good. And last but not the least, Nasiruddin Shah, Om Puri, and many more, many more. Yeah. Anupam Sharma Azmi. Everybody. They're so good actor that. Yeah. But one thing I want to share with the audience and with you as well, that we just need to remember this. Whoever right now watching me, it's always not the actor. An actor cannot create him or herself. A director, a maker create an actor actually. So I'm here waiting for the creator and praying for the someday a big creator comes and create me. Yeah. So yeah.
अभी बात करते हैं पाकिस्तानी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, ड्रामा, फिल्म. तो इज देयर एनीवन यू लाइक, यू फॉलो, आइडल?
Well, it's not that I follow. I only follow one. Do you know him? I follow Arifin Shubo.
Going to Pakistani industry, right?
So yeah, no, I never followed anyone. I admire a lot of talent, a lot of artists. I have been a huge fan from almost my childhood. Junoon. Junoon. Yes. Junoon is too good. And then nowadays, after Junoon, I guess Jal. Jal was so good. Ab to aadat se hai mujhe. That song, Atif Aslam, and Fusion, and Shafqat Amanat Ali, and Rahat Fateh Ali Khan Sahab, and Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Sahab, and a lot more. Nowadays, Ali Zafar. He's doing really good. He has this gift of this, both sides, this acting and singing. So yeah, and Humayun Saeed, this new generation actor, he's good. I've seen one of trailer, Bin Roy, and hopefully I'll watch that film because I really like the song. One song I've seen in the YouTube and one trailer. So I hope that someday we get to meet and work together.
Absolutely. We would love to, as an audience, see you guys together. And tell me, how would you compare Hollywood with Bollywood and Pakistani industry? And किस तरह मैचअप करने के लिए या कैचअप करने के लिए ढालीवुड को वर्क ऑन करना चाहिए?
Like I said, compare तो अभी नहीं करूँगा इसलिए कि like I said, my industry kind of it was a crashed industry. It was. But now it is growing. It is growing because there are a lot of audiences. They would love to watch Bengali films. But it was not like this before. So this is my condition, my industry. So there is no question about comparing my industry with Bollywood or anyone else, Bollywood or Hollywood. So I would say now it's time to, I guess, work together, like I must say mix up, like the way, see, there are a lot of Pakistani actors working in Indian films and there are a lot of Indian people are going to, so there's this mixing thing, and I think this is high time, especially for the, how should I say it, international audience, the overseas audience. They I think they only care about the entertainment. As long as they get the pure entertainment, what they're, here for, that's all they care. So I think now it's more, rather than comparing, I would say it's, कंधों पे कंधा लगा के अब काम करने का time है, हाँ, teamwork. So yeah, I would say it's time to work together and entertain everybody. No boundary, no nothing. Yeah.
Especially like family audience के लिए. Tell me about your upcoming projects. किसी movies पे आप काम कर रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, अभी एक मेरा जो है, I try not to do kind of make it monotonous because I just did this very romantic film and I had to prepare myself for that. And now I don't want to do, right after that I don't want a romantic film again. I want something different. So I'm doing this hardcore action film called Musafir. It's about this guy and this journey and this revenge. So it's a hardcore action film. You can, you can go to YouTube and find the trailer, Musafir, first look. So yeah, right now this one, and after that I'll be doing a folk film. Yeah, so I'm trying not to get into one line too much of it. I'm trying to do it like romantic, and after that some action, or after that some folk, after that maybe comedy. Something I'm trying to mix it up, trying to walk in every possible way I can try myself up.
So you are a heartthrob of Hollywood right now. So in next few years, where do you see yourself outside Hollywood?
Outside Hollywood, in Moon or something. No, well, that's what I'm saying. See, what I believe, like I said in the beginning, that I believe that I'm an entertainer. Like an entertainer don't have any border or anything. I would love to work in a Chinese film. I would love to work in a Irani film, or I would want to entertain everyone, any Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, Chinese, Korean, any nationalities. I would love to entertain everyone. I would love to, after 2 years, after moment, I guess I would love to do, like I said, work with any filmmaker, anybody who offers me a film, anybody who thinks that I can play a role. I would love to play that. I would definitely, yeah.
And we would love to see you like that. All the best for that. And ये जो audience है, इतने सारे fans हैं आपके, especially ARY के audience, पाकिस्तानी audience, उनको आप कोई message देना चाहेंगे?
Like I said, audience ही है जिन्होंने एक आर्टिस्ट को बनाता है, एक आर्टिस्ट को क्रिएट करता है. ऑडियंस अगर नहीं चाहे तो कोई भी आर्टिस्ट कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. सो जितना भी टैलेंटेड हो, और जितना भी पावरफुल हो, और जितना भी स्ट्रगल करे, सो मेरा यही गुजारिश रहेगा कि आप लोग मेरे लिए दुआ करना कि एक दिन आए कि हम आपको भी एंटरटेन कर सके. थैंक यू, लव यू ऑल.
थैंक यू शुभो, आप कीमती वक्त में से वक्त निकाल के आपने मुझसे बात की, हमारे स्टूडियो में आए, हमें अपना वक्त दिया, तो बहुत 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 मेहरबानी आपकी. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you very much, and thank you very much ARY channel to have me here, to invite me. I'm looking forward to it. I'm sure कि I would love to come again. Yeah.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
जी नाज़रीन, बांग्लादेशी स्टार आरफीन से तो आप मिल चुके हैं. अभी हम आपको मिलवाएंगे शैला इफ्तिखार से, जो कि इनकी प्रमोटर है और पूरे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में इनकी मूवी को प्रमोट कर रही हैं और डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में आरफीन को लेके जा रही हैं फॉर मीट एंड ग्रीट. आइए मिलते हैं शैला से.
दोस्तों, आप मेरे साथ हैं शैला इफ्तिखार, एशियन अमेरिकन लिएजन फ्रॉम एशिया टेक. Shaila, welcome to ARY. Welcome to our show.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm great, and thank you for giving us the opportunity to actually come to your studio. It's a pleasure.
Same here. Tell us, how are you promoting Arifin Shubho?
What we're actually doing is that we're breaking ground pretty much, because this is the first attempt that somebody from Bangladesh or Dollywood is actually going international. So pretty much how I see it is like how Lollywood used to be 4 or 5 years ago, Dollywood is there right now. So yes, the non-resident Pakistanis or Bangladeshis or Indians are pretty much capable of lifting this industry. And I believe we're powerful like that. So that's the reason why we're promoting through everything, social media, personal contact. Here you are. That's one of the things, and my background is PR, so every avenue, everywhere we can get the buzz out. Not only the audience, of course the audience are mainly important, but the audience will be able to see the movie star only when there is investment. So that's where we're going.
And how's that working out so far?
So far we've been able to introduce him various different ways. For example, tonight we have a meet and greet, and we're going to have the movie, but this is a private event. So that way the people who are interested to be a part of the industry from the background, from the behind the scenes, they can certainly come and exchange ideas and creative thoughts and whatnot. And then we have for the general audience, Jamaica Multiplex. Again, if I want to, I know maybe you're not familiar with Dollywood. There's never been a movie in a mainstream movie theater. I mean, we do have Indian movie theaters, our own little movie theaters, but this is the multiplex, which this is the first time.
Any message ARY के जरिए आप audience को कोई message देना चाहेंगे?
Sure. We are coming with a package, an actor who actually happens to be a very good product pretty much for entertainment, and just give him a shot. The movies with subtitles, we're planning to do some dubbing. That way the language is not going to be a barrier. Other than that, it's the same culture. We come with the same color, the same culture, the same moms. Ammi, khala, phupiyan, chacha, जो भी है सारे हम एक ही तरह के हैं. So yeah, that's what I
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
binds us together.
बिल्कुल. Thank you so much for giving us your valuable time. And आज के लिए इतना ही.